Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you where to go inside of the Google Chrome web browser in order to view passwords for websites that you've previously saved. This is the password storage when you enter a username and password for a website and Chrome asks you if you'd like to save. It can be a lifesaver if you've forgotten a password but you know it autofills when you go to the site. And the process here is the same for Mac and Windows. To find this, open Chrome and in the top right all the way at the end of the address bar, tap the three-dot menu button. In here, choose Settings. In the main You and Google menu, choose Passwords under Autofill. This is where you'll find all of the usernames and passwords for websites that you've saved with Google. Find the site that you want to see and tap the eye icon on the right. You'll then have to put in your computer's user password, the password that you use to unlock your computer in the beginning, and after that you'll be shown the password for the website that you're trying to find. On the far right, tap the three-dot icon and you can copy, edit, or remove the saved info. And at the top of the section, you can choose Check Passwords, and Google will scan all of your saved info and check it against all password threats out there. When it's finished, it'll give you recommended options on weak or compromised passwords. When you're finished, you can go ahead and close the Settings tab or window. And that's how you find usernames and passwords that you've saved inside of the Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.